Have you ever stopped to think about what actually happens when you press call? You tap a name on a piece of glass, and within seconds, you are talking to someone on the exact opposite side of the planet. It feels like magic, but the reality is an invisible globe-spanning journey that happens in the blink of an eye. Welcome to Simple Things Surprising Histories. Today, we are tracing the incredible hidden path of a simple phone call. By the end of this video, you will never look at your smartphone the same way again. It all starts with your voice. When you speak into your phone, you are creating tiny changes in air pressure. Hidden inside the bottom of your phone is a microphone containing a microscopic, ultra-thin membrane. Your voice causes this membrane to vibrate. But the global network can't send physical vibrations. It needs numbers. Your phone's microchip acts like an instant translator. It converts these physical vibrations into an electrical signal and then slices that signal into a digital code, a long stream of zeros and ones. Over a century ago, Alexander Graham Bell's original telephone sent actual continuous electrical currents down a physical copper wire. Today, your smartphone crushes your voice into millions of silent digital packets, preparing them to fly through the thin air. So how do those zeros and ones leave your hand? They are encoded onto radio waves, pushed out by an antenna hidden inside your device. But these radio waves are weak. They can only travel a few miles. They need a lift. This limitation is actually where the term cell phone comes from. Mobile networks divide the world into invisible hexagonal patches, much like a giant honeycomb. Each patch is known as a cell, and right in the middle of it is a cell tower. Your phone is constantly whispering to the nearest tower, saying, "I'm here." When you make a call, your phone fires those radio waves straight to that specific tower at the speed of light. Now, here is the most surprising history of our modern network. We call it wireless communication, but the truth is, your call is almost entirely wired. Once your radio waves hit the nearest cell tower, they don't stay in the air. The tower immediately dumps your digital voice into cables buried deep underground. If you're calling someone in another country, your voice travels through fiber optic cables made of highly purified glass, no thicker than a single strand of human hair. These cables run all the way across the ocean floor, spanning entire continents. Pulses of light carrying your voice travel thousands of miles through the dark depths of the ocean, all in a fraction of a millisecond. Once your voice reaches the destination city via these deep-sea cables, the whole process runs in reverse. The local network identifies exactly which cell tower your friend is currently near. It shoots your digital packets up to that specific tower. The tower broadcasts them back out as radio waves to your friend's phone. Their phone receives the zeros and ones, translates them back into an electrical signal, and pushes that signal through a tiny speaker, vibrating the air to recreate the exact, recognizable sound of your voice. All of this, the digital translation, the invisible radio waves, the light traveling across the bottom of the ocean, and the final recreation of sound happens in less time than it takes you to blink. The next time you make a call, remember the incredible global symphony working silently in the background just to let you say hello. If you enjoyed this journey, please like this video, share it with a curious friend, and subscribe to Simple Things Surprising Histories for more fascinating stories hidden in our everyday lives. See you next time.